Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. Noticed nobody had answered it for a few days. The question asked to solve is a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Well, first thing you want to do is identify A, B, and C, and to do that correctly you need 0 on one side of the equation and everything else on the other. And it was given in this format, so that's good. And the value of A is the coefficient of the squared term, which is 4. The value of B is the coefficient of the linear term, which is 5, and the value of C is your constant. And here I wrote down the quadratic formula, and in place of B we're going to substitute in the 5. In place of A, we got two A's here, we're going to put a 4. In place of C, I'm going to substitute a 2. And so there I made the substitution. Now it's a matter of doing the arithmetic. So you want to square 5, we get 25. 4 times 4 times 2 is 32. Subtract, and that's a negative 7. The denominator is a 2 times a 4, which is 8. Now you gotta go back to the earlier section. The square root of negative b is I square root of positive b. So square root of negative 7 is I square root of 7. And I believe that's the final answer. Hope this helps.